Hello everyone, welcome back to the EZ channel. In this video, we will explain how to get your Shopee shop data to Odoo. By just clicking the Get Dependency button in Odoo, you will be able to gain your shop's information, like the seller information, the logistics information, and many more. Let's see what this looks like in Odoo. Right now, I'm in the front page of Odoo, and I see here a list of modules. Let's click on the IZI Marketplace module. We have already seen how to configure and authenticate a Shopee account in another video, so check that out if you haven't seen it. Click on the shop that you want to pull your information from. In here, you will see your shop, which is already authenticated with various information. By looking through these tabs here, you don't see any information on your shop's ID and logistics. If you click on Marketplace Data, then Shop under Shopee, you will see that it's empty. If you click on Marketplace Data again, and then Logistics under Shopee, you will see that it's also empty, meaning that there is no information on your shop and its logistics. Let's go back to the shop account, and we will pull that information by clicking on the Get Dependencies button right here. Wait for it to load. Now, Odoo should have your shop's information, which you can see by clicking Marketplace Data, then Shop, and now you can see your shop's name here. Click on it and you'll be able to see your shop ID, the Marketplace account, if there is a shop description, the shop region, the shop status, the shop authentication time, and the shop expired authentication time, the logo, and all the couriers or logistics that your shop provides. You can also view your logistics data in more detail by clicking on the Marketplace Data and then Logistics, and you'll see a list of logistics and its description. If you click on one, you can see the delivery product, ID, and description. It's the same with other logistics as well. And that is all for this video on getting your shop's information from the Shopee Marketplace using the Get Dependencies button. Thank you for watching and have a great day!